Okay, just made a trip, first trip with the bike in the trailer from Long Island, New York to Nashville, Tennessee. About an 18-hour ride with no traffic. And the roads coming out of New York, New Jersey are treacherous. You really need a motocross bike to ride on our roads out there. And needless to say, the bolted on wheel chock did what it needed to do. The bike didn't move. I checked a few times just out of paranoia, and it didn't move an inch. So the bike is a 2020 Fat Boy. The trailer is a Forest River 22RR. And yeah, beautiful work. The only thing I would say is I used some blocks underneath to get pressure on the fork, since some of the other setups that people do didn't really work so well in my configuration. But yeah, everything went great. Like I said, 1,000 miles, no issues, no movement. Everything's great. Thank you, Bolted On.